All right, welcome everybody. We are going to have a wonderful, fun-filled evening, just like we always do. We are going to start off doing two things. Let's see, by show of hands here, who's a regular? Has been to any prior events? All right, what are those two things we're going to do today? Oh, sorry. What are the two things we're going to do today to start off the event?
We will ask some trivia questions
And give away gifts and trivia questions, exactly. So today, the giveaways are going to be t-shirts. Woohoo! Let's see, who wants to, you want a model t-shirt? You get to keep it too. No, keep your shirt up. Just hold it up. Yeah. Stand up. Hey, nice, right? Who wants one? Your hand went up first. Okay, so the way that we will give away these, your hands went up too, I saw. Okay, E for effort. Okay, so the way I'm going to give these shirts away is I am going to ask trivia questions that are silly and goofy. You are going to not raise your hands. You're just going to start shouting out random answers. If I find the answer funny, I will give you a shirt. It doesn't have to be correct. If it's correct, you get a shirt also. If you just try really hard, I might even give an E for effort and give you a shirt. There's no rules. If you have a phone, use it to cheat. If you have a computer, you can cheat even faster. So just try to get them right. But before we do that, I am going to give away, well, not give away, I am going to start a raffle to give away a $200 Amazon gift card. Now, we don't have a physical card. It'll be emailed to you, so that's why it's up on the screen here. But in order to win that gift card, you're going to put your business card into this bowl, which is going to be passed around. Pass it around, put your card in. If you do not have a business card, feel free to make one on any random object you have. Throw in a sticky note off the board, throw in, I don't know, a piece of toilet paper, whatever you want. But it has to be looking like a real card, which means contact info must be on it. If we pull something out and it just has a name, no contact info, no email, no phone or nothing, you will not win. You have to have it look like a real card if you make one up. Or throw your real business card in. Once you throw it in, please pass it on. Okay, now, to win these goofy t-shirts, not goofy t-shirts, to answer goofy questions and win t-shirts, I'm going to ask everybody to please answer. Ready? This is a funny question. It's a trick question. Why should you never ask SQL-people to move your furniture? Because they like Oracle now. They drop tables, indeed. Okay, by a show of hands here in the audience, who here has in a production environment either dropped a table or database unintentionally in a production environment? Honesty. Honesty, come on. It's got more hands than that, it's like 3 people. Alright, anyway, you guys are all kind of pretending you did. It's impossible. Alright, what inspired the name Fivetran?
Fortran.
Indeed, who said that?
What up?
Alright. It is a playful upgrade on Fortran. Alright, what database had the first implementation of SQL for relational databases?
Sybase.
Oracle is right, who said that?
Right here.
Alright. No, not Microsoft. What? Okay, the next question is a year. In fact, the next 3 questions are a year. So assuming you could all know numbers, everybody should be shouting out and trying because you have a fairly decent chance of getting it since computers were only invented some 50 some odd years ago. So you have like a 1 in 50 chance of getting it right just by throwing out a random year. What year was BigQuery launched?
1492.
E for effort. That's when the United States was launched, but that's a different, by Columbus, but that's a different story.
96.
2010 is right, who said that? You did? Alright, so here, since you can't actually win one, you're going to take it and just throw it to the audience. He's our speaker, by the way. You can't win
Did someone else say 2007?
I did. It was 2010.
2010.
Come on, throw it. Just throw it.
Most people said 2007.
No. Alright, what year was Redshift launched?
2008.
2012. Wow, that's a great guess. Were you guessing? Did you know that? Just rolled right out. Alright, how about what year was Snowflake launched? No, later than 3. Later than 2008. After 2010.
2016.
Before 2017.
2016.
Oh, I heard 2014. There we go. Okay, Bill Inmon. He invented the term data warehousing in what decade? So
90s.
70s indeed. Did you get one yet? No, okay. So that one's yours. All right. How was SQL originally spelled?
SQL.
Nah, that's wrong.
SEQL.
Yeah, that's it. Sorry, I have two projectors blinding me. Whenever you see that on my face, I can't see you back. Sorry. Okay, four correct answers to the next question. Where are the cities of the Fivetran offices? Cities or states?
New York.
No, they don't have one.
San Francisco.
San Francisco's closer to one.
Seattle.
What? Say what?
Seattle.
No, it is a Palo Alto, Sam. No, it's not. Excuse me. No, it's not.
San Jose.
Oakland is right. There we go. Okay, we got 3 more offices.
Amsterdam.
Not Amsterdam, not Texas.
Los Angeles.
London. Close enough. It says Colorado. Since you got 2, wait. You can't keep 2. You take the other one, just throw it up, it will be headed to whoever catches it. Virginia. All right, no more in the United States, but there's 2 more on the other side of the world. Not Dallas.
Tel Aviv.
Not Sydney.
Shanghai.
Wait, where am I going? No, it's not Shanghai. Keep guessing. Not London. Not Hong Kong.
Singapore.
Taiwan.
No, wow.
Tel Aviv.
Not Tel Aviv.
Singapore.
Melbourne.
Harder than I thought. All right, one of them has a common pub in New York City named after it.
Dublin.
That's right, she got it first. And then the other one is a major city of India.
Bombay.
Not Bombay, not Delhi.
Mumbai.
Bangalore is right. Okay. Let's see. I'm out of questions. You know what that means?
I get one.
Yes, that's exactly what it means. It only works once, I guess. It means I do this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who wants one? Your hand went up first.
Me.
Your hand went up first. One guy over there, and then I can't see where that one's going.